This is Right Drive Academy's Show Me Tell Me video series, where we're having a look at the cars and making it easy for you guys to do your test. So this is the Ford Fiesta. It's a 2017 model. So for example, one of the questions will be to open the bonnet. So again, this particular model, the newer one, the latch to open the bonnet is located here. And again, you just pull this lever, listen out for the clunk. And then the idea would be you, for the examiner, two-hand operation as before. So you lift with your left hand, trying to find the latch. And the latch is located like this. Two hands, prompting it up with your right hand. Pull it up and slot it into the double hole hook here, barrel here. So this is your support arm. So again, the Ford Focus, this is a 1.5 diesel engine. The four generic questions: where is your, how would you check your oil level? So your dipstick is located here. You pull this out, wipe it, put it back in, get a fresh reading. It should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Your brake fluid reservoir is located here with the stop sign. Again, it should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Your coolant, engine coolant, is located here, and again between the minimum maximum levels. Oil, dipstick, brake fluid, engine coolant, and last but not least is your screen wash. That should be kept topped up. And when you're finished with this, again remember, two hands, push this a little bit so you can get the support arm out, locate, slot it in. Yeah, Ford have been a bit heavy with that one, so it's a bit of a push. Never drop it, place it nice and carefully. Two hands, nice little prompt close, job done. Okay, so again, the Ford Fiesta 2017 onwards, the newer model. So the first things, if we look at this stalk, your right hand stalk, this is your wiper stalk. So as before, if you wanted, if you place it, start flicking up to the top, it starts to begin the wiper range. So 1 click for slow, 2 click for medium, 3 clicks for fast, and then bring it all the way down till it does no more. If you click it 1 down, that's the miss setting, so it only does 1 wipe. If you pull the stalk towards you, this sets off the front wiper's screen wash, and if you push the other way, that sets off the rear windscreen wash. Super. And once you do the screen wash, they automatically switch off. Ford have done this very interesting little clip at the very edge here. By pushing these up and down, that turns on the rear windscreen wipers. So down for off, up for slow, and it has 2 speed, 1 for permanently on. And that turns on your rear windscreen wipers. Okay, so onto this side. Ford is very interesting. It's the indicator stalk is on the left, so up for right, down for left. The Ford Fiesta, again, we're looking at the light sequence. So Ford very nicely have done this funky little dials here. It's a twist setting, so currently on 0 for off. When you twist it once, the side lights and the rear side lights and rear tail lights and front side lights will come on. When you twist this, that's your nighttime dip lights. And then when you've got the nighttime dip lights on, you can turn on your front fog lights there, and your rear fog lights is this one. Selecting them again will turn it off, and if you look in the dashboard here, you can see the lights coming on. That's the green one is front fogs, brown, orange one, amber one is rear fog lights, and then switching them off, turn them off here. Now, once you've got them on, then only will the front full beams come on. So when you press this lever, this blue light will come on here. That's your front full lights. So again, turning them off, selecting them on, selecting them off, and then a flash is by pulling the lever here in this manner. It has an automatic light setting, which again, we should leave it there. The side lights and the daylight running lights and all those will come on as and when required, but your full beams won't come on unless you unless you've got it on the dip setting. It will come on once it's there, but it won't when it's automatic. And those are the light sequences on the Ford Fiesta. When you finish, normally I just leave them on auto.